so we're here in the lobby of the hotel. We just got the breakfast that's included with the stay. I got an omelet, and there were some other options like some fruit and some pre-made eggs, but it was a little crazy in here, not gonna lie. It feels like this area is a little smaller for the size of the hotel, but yeah, it's 9, so it's technically over now, so people are leaving, so that's nice that it's not super crazy anymore. But yeah, the omelet's good, and yeah, just a little crazy when we first got here.
Yeah, I mean, my omelet's good. I got sausage, onions, and cheese. A couple pieces of bacon that are very greasy, to be honest, but that's okay. It's a solid breakfast. I mean, anytime you can get an omelet, I feel like it's a good option, because I don't like hotel eggs by themselves.
Yeah.
Someone who works in hotels, something like that. Not for me. Not probably a good 7 out of 10. I would just say that it's a little bit small for all the people that were in there this morning.
Yeah. We are checking out of the Embassy Suites today, and we are going to Blizzard Beach because it's our check-in day for the Boardwalk. I know you already saw us eat breakfast, so yeah, we're just getting ready to head out. Blizzard Beach opened at 10. It's about 10:20 right now, so yeah, we'll be getting there a little after park open, but we want to try to do as much as possible today. And then we might play mini golf later, and then go check into the Boardwalk, and then probably go to Hollywood Studios in the evening. So it's going to be a great day. Locking in. Haven't been here since 2019. Nolan, do you remember the last time you were here?
Oh, jeez. It's probably been about that long. I don't even remember the last time I've been here.
Okay, well that was super easy. Literally just scanned our magic bands and walked in. It knew that we were checking into a resort today, so. Hello, it is about 12:15 now, and we have done, what rides have we done?
So we did Summit Plummet, we did the Teamboat
We did the Teamboat Springs, which was really fun. We just got off Summit Plummet.
We did the toboggan, the course.
Yeah, toboggan, whatever course.
I don't remember what it was called.
And then did a little ride over here. I'll show you Summit Plummet for those of you that don't know. That, my friends, is Summit Plummet. So yeah, very steep. It's one of the tallest slides, I think, ever, really. So yeah, it was fun. Provided some good views of Disney World in general. But yeah, we have done a good amount so far with it only being like 12:15. So I think we might go in the lazy river, and then maybe grab some lunch, and yeah, just see where the day takes us. It is currently lunchtime. We got some chicken tenders with fries and a buffalo chicken sandwich for just both of us to share because we both wanted all of it. So Nolan's getting the waters over there. We are going to eat and then try to do mini golf at Winter Summerland, and then go check into Boardwalk. Okay, we just left Blizzard Beach and we're about to go to Winter Summerland Miniature Golf. It's my first time ever doing this course. Is it yours?
No, we did this as a family a long time ago. I couldn't tell you when, but I know that we did it.
Okay.
At least once. 'Cause
Nice.
we used to go to the water parks a lot more often.
Yeah. There's like no one out here either. This is
Just
nice.
like CCI in the middle of the day. If you know, you know.
We made it to the gift shop area. And yeah, we're gonna go check in here and get started. Okay, we are doing the summer course at Winter Summerland, and it's really cute and themed like Christmas, but summer themed. We're on hole 4, and each hole has different song names.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's really cute. Vlog update, it is hot.
It got significantly hotter in the last 10 to 15 minutes. We are
As
both
you can
just
see.
drenched in sweat.
But
finally
we
got
are finally in the shade now. So,
finally a little bit of relief here.
yeah, for the rest of the course, so. Just got done with the summer course. It was hot.
It got really hot in the middle of it. We were both sweating bullets, but thankfully it's cooled down a little bit. Listen to the clouds.
Yeah. Show them our scores.
37 for me, 41 for the lady.
Yep. So, yeah, it was fun. We're tired. We're gonna go check into the Boardwalk now and probably rest for a little bit before heading to Hollywood. We just got to our room at the Boardwalk. I'll just do a quick tour for you guys. We got the bathroom, cute art up here. There's the shower and the toilet. There's some closets with a safe, a hair dryer, and a steamer. And the closet with an extra pillow and blanket, some hangers, and the luggage rack. Then we have our coffee maker with some cute art up here. And the coffee stuff here. And the fridge. And the bedroom is super cute. I love all this art on the walls. The beds look nice and comfy. And it says Betterly family up here. And we have some cute art here. Say hi.
Hello.
And we booked a resort view, but we actually have a really good view of Epcot from here. This is like the perfect view. You can see the Skyliner here and a view of this little courtyard here. And then you can see the top of the Eiffel Tower and Spaceship Earth. That's the room for you. Got a little nice balcony here. How do you like the room, Nolan?
Well, that's great. It's nice. 2 beds. Can't complain, really.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan. I've never been here before.
We're here with Kayla. We got checked into the Boardwalk and hung out for a little bit, and we are walking to Hollywood Studios now. We stopped at ABC Commissary for food. What do you get?
Got the shrimp tacos. They're quite good. Honestly, probably my favorite thing here.
Kayla, what did you get?
A chicken sandwich.
Was it good? I got my favorite thing here, the buffalo chicken sandwich. I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. I have to get it every time I'm here. We are ready to see the Little Mermaid show. First time seeing the new one.
Best part of the day.
And our esteemed court composer, Horatio Felonius Ignatius Crustaceus Sebastian.
Okay, I got my next drink in the pass holder challenge. It's the Under the Sea Salted Caramel Latte. I'm about to try it.
You're there.
It's pretty good. Very salted caramely. We just said bye to Kayla. We enjoyed hanging out with her for a couple hours. Yeah, the park closes in a little less than an hour, so all the wait times are
They're
kind of
terrible. They are so bad right now still. So holding out that maybe we can sneak on a ride, but at this rate, not looking great. Which is, I mean, it's fine.
Yeah, we're just kind of walking around.
When you come here as often as we do, something you can like live with not doing a ton of rides, especially when you're only at a park for like 2 hours.
Yeah, we're just gonna go into, hopefully Baseline is open to get a margarita. But I honestly don't know if they stay open till the park closes, so we'll see.
We'll see.
Okay, so like I kind of suspected, Baseline was closed. They closed at 8 and we got there at 8:10, so we're going to like Sunshine Margaritas, I think is over here. I think is what it's called. But yeah, we're on Sunset Boulevard right now, just walking down the street, enjoying the Hollywood vibes, and just about to get some beverages of the alcoholic variety.
That's how I say it.
We changed our mind again. We are actually, yeah, I did. We are actually going to the Tune-In Lounge.
I don't know what that is.
Well, Nolan's about to find out what the Tune-In Lounge is. Okay, we are at Tune-In Lounge. Nolan got the Tune-In PB&J cocktail. It was a small portion though, so he got a whiskey sour as well.
Got the whiskey sour. It looks very good. I had one and then I was like, you know, we might as well complement it with another one.
And I'm still drinking my margarita.
And I've never been here before. Didn't even know it existed.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So for those wondering, this lounge is attached to the 50s Primetime restaurant, and they make all the drinks for the restaurant. So it's a pretty cool lounge. Super chill. And the only other bar besides Nomad Lounge at Animal Kingdom that you can sit in the air condition. Crazy.
Feels very good in here.
Okay, we just left Tune-In.
That was awesome. Great spot to drink. No one was there. We sat down, had a whiskey sour and a peanut butter whiskey drink. What'd you have, a margarita?
Yeah.
And then our bartender, Kevin, great guy. It was awesome.
Shout out to Kevin.
Awesome to talk to. I mean, I didn't even get on a ride today, and I felt like today was fulfilling at this park because of him. Shout out Kevin. What a guy. What a guy.
And what did you say? This is the kind of stuff that...
This is the kind of stuff that, like, you know, everybody think, like, when you get to Disney, oh, wait times, how much money you're spending, blah, blah, blah. Like, when you are at places like that and you meet people who are working in places like that and you have those kind of conversations, like, that's the kind of stuff you don't measure, you don't think about. So it's always nice to kind of, like, relax and you step back and you're like, oh, man. This is why, like, you love Disney, because, like, the customer service is second to none sometimes. And you just don't forget it. That's why you do it.
Have you ever seen those?
Yep. Well, we just left Atlantic Dance Hall.
That was rowdy. Got a little rowdy.
We stayed there way longer than we thought we would.
Well, you just get to talking to people. That's what happens.
Yeah.
That's what happens at these things. We get to talking to people out in the balcony. Then an hour goes by and you're like, whoa.
Yep. But now we're about to go to Abracadab Bar and see what's up there, and then probably just go to the room and go to bed.